How to use If PC Home Insurance Norway properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC Home Insurance is a reliable choice in Norway, but many homeowners make mistakes that reduce their protection or increase costs. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction and renovation costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing your belongings. Regularly review your sums insured to ensure they reflect your home's current value. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. If PC policies include personal liability coverage, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is also costly. Renovations, moving, or acquiring new items can change coverage needs. Not informing If PC may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss out on available discounts. If PC offers savings for bundling policies, security system installations, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and maintain clear communication with your claims advisor. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize If PC Home Insurance Norway. Ensure coverage reflects your home's true value. Maintain sufficient liability protection. Update your policy regularly. Take advantage of discounts and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively, protecting both your home and peace of mind.